program on the agenda is the presentation of the annual report by HRMA Secretary Sajeev Sadanandan. Over to you, Sajeev.
Let me know if you are able to hear me.
We can hear you, Sajeev.
Yeah, thank you. I guess Happy New Year, everybody. And HRM annual report has to be done here. ഇത് നമ്മളുടെ AGM കൂടെയാണ് ഈ കൊല്ലം ആകെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ നടത്താൻ പറ്റുന്ന AGM ആണിത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനകത്ത് HRMയുടെ ആനുവൽ റിപ്പോർട്ട് ഈസ് one thing that we have to go over it. Almost പ്രസിഡന്റ് ഒരുവിധം എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഓൾറെഡി ഒരു ഹൈ ലെവലിൽ പോയിരുന്നു. And this is nothing interesting, but I'll have to go over it. Bear with me for some time. And as soon as, let me try to get over it as quickly as possible. Okay. So, ഈ വർഷം തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോൾ COVID was everywhere. Basically, we also thought like, what to do and all those stuff. The questions were in our mind too. And am I audible and good now? At least I think. Aleda, is it audible right now, or you are hearing background noise?
I'm actually hearing background noise, some kind of hissing.
All right,
hissing.
thank you. Yeah. I heard some messages. So, okay. So basically, ഒത്തിരി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും കൺസേൺസും ഒക്കെ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിലേക്ക് വന്നൊരു സമയമായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ വി ഓൾ തോട്ട് വാട്ട് ടു ഡു ആൻഡ് ലൈക്ക് ജോബ് കൺസേൺസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, how it's gonna affect us. So immediately everybody thought like, let us have somebody, who can come up and talk a little about it. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ സെമിനാർ വെച്ചത് കോപ്പിംഗ് വിത്ത് COVID-19 ആൻഡ് May 9th നമ്മളത് കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. And Dr. Govindankuti Palat sir, he came up and along with Joy sir, and they did a very good seminar for us and everybody involved, and that was one of the best things that we started with this year in a positive manner. Second thing, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പിന്നീട് നമ്മൾ വളരെ something that I would say ഏറ്റവും ബെസ്റ്റായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയത് ഇമ്മീഡിയറ്റ്ലി ഹെൽപ്പ് ദ ലോക്കൽ ഫുഡ് ബാങ്ക്സ് ആയിരുന്നു. ഈ ഫുഡ് ബാങ്ക്സിൻ്റെ ഡൊണേഷൻസും കാര്യങ്ങളും എല്ലാം ഒരുവിധം സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആകുന്ന ഒരു സമയമായിരുന്നു അത്. കാര്യം ആൾക്കാർ ചർച്ചിലാണെങ്കിലും ടെമ്പിളിലാണെങ്കിലും പോകുന്നതും ഡൊണേഷൻസ് കുറയുന്നതും അവരുടെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് എല്ലാം കുറഞ്ഞൊരു സമയമായിരുന്നു. എക്സാക്ട്ലി ആ സമയത്ത് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് we were there to help them immediately. HRMA from their own account, we did a $200 donation. Then we reached out to all of us outside there as a community, and നമ്മുടെ ഗോൾ ഒരു $1,000 ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിലും we were able to collect more than that. And thank you to all those who have donated at that point of time, and we collected around $1,125. And we also on time in April 2020, right there we divided into all those churches and food banks that we have in and around. And many of our committee members have tirelessly worked to get these people in and find it out on time and give it. And you can see $350 we gave to Eastern Shore Peninsula Food Bank, also the same amount. And of course International Church, we have partnered with them, and our last program was conducted out there, and we thank them in that way too. And also we never forgot the Bayside Presbyterian Church. They have been along with us, and we have contacted them and also submitted to them. Let me move on to the next slide. Of course, Onam. The last Onam was, we all remember how good it was. Like everybody participated in a way of cooking and all those stuff, and we had fun. But this year when it came, it was also thought process, like how to do it, there were questions, but still we went ahead with it. Good committee decisions on right times made us possible, and we had technical difficulties and all those challenges on going there, and we eventually turned out good on most of the stuff. And we did it by bringing in one of the eminent movie artists, and that was one of the things that you can see from the slide down there, Sergeant Palluriti, and we had good time with him. Of course, Payasam, and our food committee really worked on it, and I would really extend a thanks to Philippa Chain for his guidance at that point of time, and of course without his help Arapradam would not have been delivered. Thank you. Let me move on. Workshop with award-winning NASA aerospace scientist. I guess we always had something on our way or within the community. We also always keep a look ahead and find something. We are there to recognize them and appreciate them for what they have done. And this is something we cannot close our eyes on. Recognizing two award-winning NASA scientists from our own Malayali community. Of course, you can see the president himself had stepped out over there and handed out a gesture for them. And we never stopped there, and we thought, our younger minds, and there are youngsters who can be, little bit ignited with their talks. We brought them as a workshop and did a good interactive sessions and wonderful sessions by them. And I guess most of, not only the kids, everybody, all ages enjoyed that, and that was wonderful thing. Let me move on. Another thing, yeah, of course, the heroes. Yes, we recognize them as a family, as a community, as together as Malayali community over here. We found out all those people who are working in healthcare workers at this time of COVID, and they're putting their lives in front. We went there personally, give something like a sort of appreciation, a certificate to say yes, thank you, and we did that on behalf of all of you. Let me move on next one. Yeah, I'm happy that at least this time from Onam, as you see, we have evolved a little bit better, I guess, on the transmission. Even if it is virtual, we are still doing it, and we have done it a little better, I guess. Maybe still technical difficulties will be there, but I think it's getting better at each and every event. Maybe we don't know how long, but we hope it ends soon. And again, to mention, HRMA committee and HRMA community as such is a non-profit organization. We don't, collect money and do something or do anything other than, benefits for the community, much of it. So the last 1 year, who has been member, they should be awarded, and we recognize that. And what they put in comes back to you. Even in the terms of, Onam Payasam, we distribute a free for all the members, right? And again, this time, we cannot conduct any kind of in-house parties or something like that to celebrate Christmas and New Year. So eventually that money, we thought, as a gesture of, appreciation, we give back to all the members, and that will be in person handed over by members to all of the existing members of HRMA community. And that is one initiative. And of course, along with that, I will also request all the people out there, come be a member. That's only one way to, to deliver. The committee has the full capability, or they will get something to work on to deliver back to you. It's not just going anywhere else, but it comes back to you. So try to join the membership. Don't think twice. We are a small community. I request that. Let me move on. Of course, Malayalam classes, it's been already discussed, and I don't want to spend time on that. Chandrali did give a good overview and what it has been done, and it's all by donations too. And thanks to all the volunteers and parents who have been there, especially Biju. I remember him. And this was one of the initiative that we started, and this initiative of HRMA newsletter. This is some way that we communicate at least every quarter to all of the people around in our community, saying that what we have done and what we are looking at and what we have seen. Of course, this will also give you a better idea of, financial standings of HRMA, what they have spent, what they have not, and what is in play for us. So this is something that we have made transparent over the years, and thanks to Joy Uncle and Anu for bringing it up, delivering it on time for all of us. Wow, cricket team. Obviously, this was there from long time. I think in 2017 when the HRMA cricket team evolved, we had gone through a lot of stuff, and even I was not there, but people who were there have made sure they are there in all the tournaments, be proactive, whatever it is, and everything. But you know what? The last 2 years have, brought a lot of winning championships and runners-up trophy, and that was one of best of the seasons they had. And thanks to all the people who are out there, it's just not the game, but also building up social community and having fun out there. And it has been out there for long. And thanks to the captain and everybody out there. And that brings us towards my end of slideshow. And that's all what we have covered for this year. Thank you, everybody.